Rheinmetall Fuchs Evolution. The Rheinmetall Fuchs Evolution is the latest iteration of the iconic 6x6 armored personnel carrier, offering significant upgrades in protection, communication, and versatility. With enhanced mine and IED resistance through improved underbelly armor, it ensures crew survivability in high-threat environments. A modernized powertrain and mobility system make it faster and more maneuverable on diverse terrain. Inside, digital battle management systems and modular mission kits allow it to switch roles quickly, from command vehicle to NBC reconnaissance or ambulance. EOTech OGL. The EOTech On-Gun Laser, or OGL, is a rugged and compact aiming device engineered for high-performance shooting in all lighting conditions. Integrating visible and infrared lasers, it provides precise targeting during both day and night operations, especially when paired with night vision systems. Designed for modern rifles, it features intuitive controls, ambidextrous usability, and a lightweight, low-profile form factor. Its robust construction allows it to function in harsh environments, making it ideal for elite military units. Whether in close quarters or long-range engagements, the OGL gives soldiers rapid, reliable, and precise target acquisition capabilities under pressure. IAI Point Blank Israel. Aerospace Industries Point Blank is a unique loitering munition designed to bring aerial precision strike capabilities directly into the hands of ground troops. Small enough to be carried and launched by a single soldier, it delivers real-time video feed and precise control to operators for accurate target engagement. With advanced electro-optical sensors and AI-assisted guidance, Point Blank can neutralize threats with minimal collateral damage, even in urban areas. It acts as a portable airstrike solution, ideal for rapid response scenarios or missions deep behind enemy lines. Compact, lethal, and smart, Point Blank is a true game changer for frontline forces. D-Drone Drone Defender. The D-Drone Drone Defender is a non-lethal handheld counter-drone system designed to neutralize unauthorized or hostile UAVs in sensitive airspace. Using directed radio frequency jamming, it disrupts the communication link between drones and their controllers, forcing them to land or retreat. Weighing under 15 pounds and shaped like a rifle, it offers intuitive point-and-shoot usability for security personnel in mobile or fixed defense positions. Ideal for protecting airports, military bases, public events, or critical infrastructure, it provides a safe, controlled method to handle aerial threats without causing physical damage. The Drone Defender is a vital tool in the evolving fight against rogue drones. Lanka 2.0, Lanka 2.0, short for Lightweight Affordable Novel Combat Aircraft, is the UK's ambitious unmanned combat air vehicle designed to function as a loyal wingman alongside manned aircraft. Developed as part of the Tempest Future Combat Air System initiative, it's built for rapid production, affordability, and mission versatility. The drone combines stealth shaping, AI autonomy, and modular payloads to conduct surveillance, electronic warfare, and precision strike operations. Its ability to operate semi-independently in swarms or as a support element to manned fighters greatly expands battlefield flexibility. Lanka 2.0 represents a major leap toward future air dominance through man-machine collaboration. Redback's Spike. The Australian Redback infantry fighting vehicle, developed by Hanwha Defence, is enhanced by the integration of Rafael's Spike LR-2 anti-tank guided missile system. This pairing offers infantry superior firepower with extended reach, as Spike missiles can hit targets over 5 kilometers away with pinpoint accuracy. Featuring Fire and Forget and Fire Observe Update modes, the system allows operators to engage multiple targets while staying protected inside the vehicle. Combined with the Redback's advanced armor, active protection system, and digital targeting interface, this integration delivers lethal, mobile, and protected precision. It dramatically boosts a unit's capability against armor, bunkers, and hardened enemy positions. PL-01 Concept. The PL-01 is a revolutionary stealth tank concept from Poland, developed in collaboration with BAE Systems, aiming to blend heavy firepower with next-gen stealth technology. Its angular, radar-absorbent body is designed to reduce visibility across infrared, radar, and acoustic spectrums, making it harder to detect on the battlefield. Armed with a 105mm or 120mm gun, the PL-01 supports conventional and smart ammunition housed in a fully automated turret. Inside, the tank is equipped with cutting-edge sensor suites, digital controls, and modular armor for customizable protection. Though still a prototype, the PL-01 offers a glimpse into the future of armored warfare. Patria Nemo Container. The Patria Nemo container transforms any flatbed truck, vessel, or static base into a mobile artillery platform by housing a 120mm mortar system inside a standard ISO shipping container. This innovative setup allows for rapid deployment, self-contained operation, and high rates of indirect and direct fire support. Remotely controlled and protected, it eliminates the need for exposed crews, offering both safety and efficiency. The system can deliver sustained fire support for maneuvering troops or naval forces, and its plug-and-play versatility suits a wide range of missions. The Nemo container revolutionizes how militaries think about mobility and modular firepower. Arion-SMET UGV. The Arion-SMET is a tactical unmanned ground vehicle built to assist troops on the front lines with transport, logistics, and combat tasks. Capable of carrying over 500 kilograms of gear, it reduces physical load on soldiers while offering support in resupply, casualty evacuation, and remote surveillance. With hybrid electric propulsion for silent movement and long endurance, it can operate in diverse terrains with minimal operator input. The platform supports weapon systems, sensor packages, and communication relays, enabling it to adapt to mission needs. Arion-SMET enhances unit autonomy and survivability, acting as a robotic force multiplier in dynamic operational environments. Elbit Systems. Lanius. Elbit Systems Lanius is a micro-tactical loitering drone designed specifically for urban warfare and close-quarters reconnaissance. Small enough to be carried by hand, Lanius can be rapidly deployed indoors or in tight alleyways to scout for threats, map interiors, and even engage targets using AI-assisted decision-making. It provides real-time video and mapping data back to the operator and can autonomously suggest or execute attack decisions within rules of engagement. Its ability to fly through confined spaces while avoiding obstacles gives soldiers a technological advantage in dense urban battles. Lanius marks a shift toward ultra-precise, intelligent drone warfare in the modern age. Nebo. The Nebo radar system, developed by Russia, is a high-performance, multi-band radar platform designed to detect stealth aircraft and missiles at long ranges. Operating across VHF, L-band, and X-band frequencies, Nebo integrates multiple radar arrays into a unified system to provide 360-degree coverage and layered air defense capabilities. Highly mobile and deployed on large-wheeled vehicles, Nebo systems are frequently linked with Russian missile defense networks. It's a cornerstone of Russia's integrated air defense strategy, designed to deny airspace access to even the most advanced adversaries. Thales Satis. Thales Satis, or Soldier's Advanced Tactical Integrated System, is a next-generation soldier system designed to improve individual performance and unit coordination in complex environments. It combines secure communication, real-time geolocation, data sharing, and wearable sensors into a unified platform that enhances situational awareness on the battlefield. Through a ruggedized interface and lightweight gear, Satis enables soldiers to exchange tactical information instantly, access digital maps, and receive mission updates without distraction. Integrated with command and control systems, it ensures seamless connectivity between frontline troops and higher command. Rafael Spike Firefly. The Spike Firefly, developed by Israel's Rafael, is a miniature loitering munition specifically designed for dismounted infantry operating in urban and confined areas. Weighing around 3 kilograms, it can be launched by a single soldier and is equipped with real-time video, autonomous flight navigation, and precision strike capabilities. Firefly can hover, search for threats, and deliver an explosive payload with pinpoint accuracy, reducing risk to friendly forces. Operators can abort or redirect strikes mid-flight, offering unmatched flexibility in tight urban combat.